So I don't know if you can tell, but I need a little bit of a shave here, and so that's why I got these McKesson Disposable Razors. They're twin blade, and they're in a kind of a really taped up box here. So let's take it over to my coffee table, get it open, take a closer look at them, and then I'm gonna go ahead and shave and give you my opinion on them. So here's the box, let's get it open. So you can see it's just a big pile of razors here. They're plastic razors, and they each come with their own little cover on top of them. You can replace it back on as well, but let's get those out of the way. Grips have an ergonomic feel to them, and with this textured material here, it makes it so they're not going to slip out even if they get wet. So you can see that it comes with two stainless steel blades here, and this is a fixed head. It doesn't pivot or wobble, and these are disposable and listed for single use, though I imagine you could get a couple uses out of them. Do note that there's no lubricating strip on them, so make sure that you take care of your face with some shaving cream or soap or something to lubricate the system. However, you could dry shave with them, but I just think that without the lubricating strip, you're going to get a bit of a closer shave if you do use some kind of lubricant. So let's go try it out on my face and see how well it works. So you'll see I have a lot of hair on my face we got to get rid of, and I have soaped up my face a little bit too, because I think that's going to be best practices with this razor here. So let's get to work. Okay, so just after those strokes here, you can see it's getting rid of the hair really easily. And when I give it a rinse, it comes out nice and clean. Okay, there we go. All done here. Really close shave all the way around, even in my trouble spots through here sometimes where the hairs kind of stick around, but it did just fine going with the grain and against the grain to get all the hairs off. You can see I got them all off here. Looking pretty good. And you can see at the end that it's not totally clean, but I could probably still get at least one or two more shaves out of this because it's not totally covered with hairs either. So all in all, I'm really impressed with it. I'm going to be honest, I was a little bit worried that it didn't have the lubricating strip, but with just a little bit of soap on the face, it feels just fine. No nicks or cuts on my entire face, so really happy with it, and I think you'll like it too. If you're just looking for a simple disposable razor, I can recommend this one to you.